beautiful ladies out there. Welcome to Silk Zone. This is Divya here. Today I am going to show you the pretty beautiful collections of the pure cotton linen sarees with embroidery work on it. We have so many patterns and designs with color combination. More than 500 collections we have. Now I am going to show you the saree which I am wearing is methi color with a combination of cream. And on it we have the embroidery prints. You can just have a look at the embroidery prints. These are like a duck or small bird, I can tell you. These are pure embroidery works done by hand, and with that we have the very beautiful silver zaris on the both the corners of the sarees. This is looking very beautiful and pretty. It is very good for summer wear, and these are very skin friendly. We have many collections. Now I have draped the pleats for you to show that how beautiful it look once you drape the saree. It gives you elegant look and classy attractive look for it. And the blouse, we have the creamish blouse for this, and if you want any other customized color of the blouse, surely we'll do the customization of the color of the blouse. And the cost of the saree is just 1200 plus shipping charges. The very beautiful premium quality saree, that is pure cotton linen sarees with the pure hand embroideries. You can just have a look at the embroideries. I am showing it to you. These are so good. We have a proper complete finishing, 100% finishing, we can tell. The embroideries are in the pallu and one side of the border, entire border we have. The color combination of the embroideries are in dark green, purple, red, I can tell you. And the color combination of the saree is red, watermelon red with the white color, which gives you the very pleasant combination color. And we have the silver zari borders on entire saree, I mean on the borders of the sarees. I've made the pleats to show you how it looks very beautifully once you drape the saree. And we have the pallu. In pallu also we have the zari on it, and we have very beautiful ready made to wear frinkages on the pallu. And the blouse, we will get the contrast blouse, that with the white color, which we have the silver zari on the blouse also. And the cost of this beautiful premium quality saree is 1200 plus shipping. These are very beautiful collections of the pure cotton linen sarees which are made of pure hand embroideries. The color combination of the saree, you can look at it. I'm literally looking like a cloud, I can tell. The combination of the cloud and the sky, that is white and sky blue. Very beautiful colored combination. You can just have a look at the embroideries. The embroideries are like a duck or small little bird, I can tell you. The combination of the embroideries are in orange and blue color with a black border and white color. It gives very elegant look. I have made the pleats to show you guys that how we look once we drape this saree with these embroideries. And the pallu also very good, very simple. People who don't like too much embroideries, they would prefer such sarees. And we have the silver sarees on both the borders of the sarees, I mean both the corner of the sarees. And the blouse, we have the contrast blouse for this sky blue color saree, white, that is white. And if you want any other color to be customized for the blouse, surely we'll do the customization. And the cost of this saree is just 1200 plus shipping charges. These are the different colored combinations in pure cotton linen sarees. The color combination of this saree is white, pure white, and a pink color. There is no any other mixture in the product. These are very pure cotton linen with the silver zari borders on the both the corners of the sarees, and we have ready frinkages to wear, and we have silver zaris on the pallus also. We have beautifully done pure hand embroideries, that is in the combination of pink, green and purple, that will come in the bottom of the border, that is the bottom down at the end of the border, which gives you a simple elegant look. You can just love the color combination of this. And the blouse, we have the contrast blouse, that is white and pink. Again, I can tell you this is the running blouse. If you want any other colors to be customized, we can surely customize the color for it. And the cost of this price is just 1200 plus shipping. This is the other different colored combination saree in the same print, I mean the same embroideries. The color combination of this saree is white with orange. These are very beautiful, very pretty collections in cotton linen. We have silver zari borders on the both the corners of the sarees and ready to wear pallu, that is we have ready frinkages. And the blouse also we have with the same color that is gonna match with white and orange. And on the entire saree also we have silver zari borders on both the corners. The embroideries are so good, which gives you elegant look on it, and these are very pretty to wear. It is very skin friendly, and these are made to be summer wear, I can tell you. And the cost of the saree is just 1200 plus shipping charges. This is very beautiful saree, I can tell you. Complete white color. I'm just loving the color. Very peaceful and pleasant color with such a beautiful embroidery design in the borders. I'm just loving the embroideries. Even you people would love the embroideries with the fabric. Fabric is also so cool, so amazing, I can tell you. We have the silver sarees with this, which gives you the more attractive design for the saree. The silver borders are in both the corners of the sarees, and these embroideries are giving a very beautiful look for the saree, which are in the colors of green, brown and purple. And we have the zaris, that is silver zaris in the pallu also. In pallu we have ready frinkages, and the blouse we have the same as in the white color. This is very good. I'm feeling so good to wear this. The fabric is so good. We just can't tell no for this saree. I hope you all would purchase in just a one look, and the cost of the saree remains the same. That is very affordable. That is just 1200. The color combination of this very pretty beautiful saree is white and pink, and we have the silver zari borders on both the corners of the saree, and we have very beautifully done pure hand embroideries flowers on the borders of the saree. The hand embroideries flowers are very different, unique. The combination of this flower embroideries are beautifully done on it. We have a good finishing, and the fabric of the saree also, you would love the fabric. It is so good, elegant and simple to wear. No one can just tell no for these types of collection. These are pure cotton linen sarees, which are usually obviously made for summer, we can tell. And the blouse of the saree, we get it in same white and pink as I'm wearing it. I can just show it to you. This is the blouse of the saree. On blouse also we get the silver border on the both the corners of the sarees. It is very beautiful. It just takes 3 to 5 minutes to drape the saree. It is so lightweight, I can tell you. And the cost of the saree is just 1200 plus shipping charges. Beautiful sarees, which is in the combination of tomato red, I can tell you, with a combination of white color, and we have the silver zari borders on the both the corners of the sarees. And this is the pure hand embroidery done on the borders of the sarees. The hand embroideries are in the color combination of blue, orange and black, which gives you the so very good look once you drape the saree. And in pallu also we have the silver sarees on the pallu and ready to wear frinkages on it. And blouse also we have the same color blouse, that is running blouse, I can tell you, with white and tomato red, I'm sorry. And the cost of the saree is just 1200. This is again very beautiful, different embroidery and the different combination saree in pure cotton linen. This is white and light grayish blue, we can tell the color of the saree is. And we have the silver sarees on both the corner of the sarees, and we have the pure hand embroideries on the bottom of, in the border of the saree, that is down border of the saree. The embroideries are done as a flower. We have some 7 to 8 petal flower. The combination of the flower which is done in embroidery work, that is in grey and red color, and a little bit of green is used. And the saree is very beautiful to wear, very simple and elegant, sober look. It gives you a very good, elegant, classic look we get in this saree. And the blouse also we get it in the same color, that white and light sky blue, I can tell you. It is very good to wear, very soft and lightweight. So the cost of the saree is just 1200 plus shipping. The beautiful colored combination, very unique color combination, I can tell you. The little dark purple colored combination with the cream combination saree, and with the silver zari borders on the both the corners of the sarees. In the pallu also we have the silver zaris on it, and on the entire saree in the one down border of the saree we have so good beautifully embroidery work is done. That is embroidery in the one border, I can tell you. It is like a little small duck which are in the colored combination of purple, light green with a black color borders. And on the entire saree we have the embroidery works of little duck kind, I can tell you, a little bird or something we can call it like that. And this is very beautifully designed saree, I can tell you, in the embroideries. And the saree has the very good finishing work and silver zaris and all. Very lightweight, very good to wear, skin friendly, and mostly preferred for the summer, I can tell. And the blouse also we have it in the saree is so beautiful, and we can drape the sarees in just 3 to 5 minutes. Very good, skin friendly, and you will surely love the product, I'm telling you. And the cost of the saree is just 1200 plus shipping charges. These very beautiful cotton linen sarees are made of combination in the blue and white color with the ready to wear frinkages in the pallu. We have the silver sarees that gives you the very elegant look. Once you drape the saree, you can make the pleats or else you can make it a single pin. And in the saree we have the silver zaris on the both the corners of the sarees, and on the entire sarees, that is in the body of the saree, we have the embroidery designs done in the different combination, that is in golden color and maroon and blue color. And in the bottom corner of the saree, that is in one side of the border of the saree, we have done the beautiful hand embroideries, that is, I can tell you, like a mango design shaped, covered with something leaf in blue, golden and maroon color, which gives you the very good attractive look for the saree once you drape it. It is very beautiful and very elegant to wear and simple. You look so gorgeous once you wear the saree, and you will surely love the product. And our product just cost around 1200, exactly 1200 plus shipping charges. And our products are available in Flipkart and Myntra also. You can just log into our website, that is www.silkzone.in, that is in our description box below the video. This saree is in the beautiful colored combination, that is pink and white. You would love the color combination. And again we have come with a pure hand embroidery works on the sarees. That is, we can tell it is like a little small duck in the one end of the border, that is in one side of the borders we have the entire embroidery design, that is in the combination of green, pink and black color. And we have the silver zaris on both the corners of the sarees, and in pallu also we have the silver zaris, which gives you the simple, very beautiful look for the pallu. And on the entire saree we have the beautiful embroidery works done. And the combination of the saree, obviously you people would love it. And the blouse of the sarees also you will get it in the same color, that is running color with white and pink. And the cost of this beautiful saree is just 1200. If you people like any specific pattern or embroidery design, surely please comment in the comment box so that you will have a surprise gift from our Silk Zone. Hey beautifuls, this is the most beautiful pretty colored saree, that is baby pink. All the beautiful ladies would surely love this. This is the beautiful pretty pink color saree, which is done beautifully embroidery works on the entire saree. That is a flower like a bouquet design we have done it. The embroideries is in the orange and dark pink color embroideries, and we have the borders of silver zaris in both the side of the borders, and we have small orange color contrast for it. And the blouse also we have contrast for it, that is pink and orange, very unique colored combination saree this is. And we have the silver zaris in the pallu also. And on the entire saree we have done a beautiful pure hand embroideries on the saree. And we have the cost of the saree as very much affordable, that is just 1200. I think surely you all would love the collections, that is pure cotton linen saree, which is made for summer. Hey people, I think I'm looking so pretty in this color. No, hope you all will like this color. I'm just loving the color, that is pure white, I can tell you. Very beautiful, pleasant and peaceful color, which is giving you very attractive look. And we have made very beautiful pure hand embroidery on entire saree, that is on the borders of the sarees. I am just showing you the borders of the sarees which we have done with embroideries, that is lotus flower with a combination of dark orange, green and maroon. And we have the silver borders on both the corners of the sarees. And in the pallu also we have the silver zaris and ready to wear frinkages on the pallu. It is looking so good. I'm just loving the product, and even you will surely love the product. and we have done so beautifully the embroidery works on entire saree on one side of the part of the borders. You can just have a deep look at the embroidery work. It is so beautiful, the finishing is so good. Once if you purchase, you can just feel the fabric. And the blouse of the saree also, you'll just get it in the same color, that is running color, and the cost of the saree is just 1200. Surely you will purchase and you'll feel the fabric good to wear in summer, very skin friendly, beautiful, lightweight and elegant. You have a attractive look. And thank you so much for watching so far our video. If you like our video, if you like the Silkzone collection, please do like, share and subscribe, and press the bell icon below our video, and you can just log into our website, that is www.silkzone.in, which is given in our description box. If you like to purchase a product, I have just explained you how to purchase the product, and even you know about the payment details. If any damage is found in our collection, please do return within a week. Thank you.